Hello everyone, this is Irsa Khalid from Diplo TV. We are here at Pakistan Logistics and Shipping Summit 2026 in Islamabad. This year's theme is redefining global supply chains. The summit has brought together industry experts, logistic experts, shipping companies, and government officials from Pakistan and beyond. Today's discussion is focused on making Pakistan's logistics and shipping sector more efficient, more connected, and ready for the future. From digital transformation and trade routes to ports and supply chains, this summit is creating a platform to share new ideas and building partnerships. Pakistan's logistics and maritime sector came together in Islamabad for second Pakistan Logistics and Shipping Summit 2026. Held at the Marriott Hotel, the summit was organized under the theme From Crisis to Opportunity, Redefining Pakistan's Role in Global Supply Chain. Federal Minister for Maritime Affairs Mohammad Junaid Anwar Chaudhry attended as the chief guest. The heads of Karachi Port Trust, Port Qasim Authority and Gwadar Port Authority also participated, highlighting the importance of stronger cooperation across Pakistan's ports. In his opening remarks, Smart Entrepreneur Society founder, engineer Mehtab Hussain Baloch, said Pakistan's logistics and shipping sector has the potential to become a major engine of economic growth through stronger public and private sector partnerships. This summit was supported by leading organizations from the maritime, logistics, and trade sectors, with participation from the Ministry of Commerce, Pakistan Customs, the Trade Development Authority of Pakistan, the Ministry of Communications, and the Asian Development Bank. Experts joined four panel discussions focused on Pakistan's place in global supply chains, regional connectivity, digital transformation, trade facilitation, investment, and supply chain resilience. The discussions explored practical solutions to improve logistics performance, strengthen trade links, and attract greater investment in modern infrastructure. The Pakistan Logistics and Shipping Summit 2026 concluded with the shared commitment to building a modern, digitally connected, and globally competitive logistics and maritime sector, creating new opportunities for trade, investment, and sustainable economic growth. Today's summit has shown that logistics and shipping are becoming more important than ever for Pakistan's economy and its connection with global markets. Events like these bring together people who can help shape the future of Pakistan's logistics and its standing in the market.